Hey everyone, my name is Joseph and I'm the founder of Montem Outdoor Gear. I want to give you a quick tutorial on how to use your new woven carbon fiber folding trekking poles. First, what you want to do is release the tubes. Gravity will do its thing and they will line up. Now what you'll notice is there are C-rings on each pole's portion. Now that C-ring, while keeping it firmly in place, will also make it impossible to close the pole and lock it without first twisting, like so, until flush against the top. Now you'll notice the tube will slide right in. Once it's connected, simply twist until you can't anymore. Your pole will be so tight it will not be going anywhere. Now you'll repeat the process. Flush against the top, slide the pole in, rotate, and lock. Last but not least, you'll take your flip lock, find your proper length for your height. If you're unsure, please go to our website and ask one of our helpers or Google it. It'll tell you exactly where this number needs to be for your height. Tighten the lever, clasp, and you are good to go.